You guys ready? Are you guys ready? All right, guys, get ready. Game starts in 3, 2, 1, go!
Hurry up, Toro!
I can only walk.
Why can you only walk to the start of the game? Run!
I can only walk.
Run!
I can only walk. Hit!
Got it!
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Help! Oh. What happened to my right cover?
Oh, thanks. Huh. Dang, and I'm still alive. Hey, Robert, the shell compartment open. Close it.
Jordan, what are you doing? Where is he? We have someone on the lift. Where are they? Like, run. None don't fall. We got them all. Walk over here, walk over here. Really close. That's Frankie right there. No, someone all the way down there. Guys, move left. Advance. Over here on my right. Advance. I'm out. Ah, got you, Dad. No. Dad, that hit you. I watched that hit you in the neck. Eater. That's it. Coming through. I got you. I saw that.
Wow, this game is taking forever. Hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Oh, it's hit my gun. Does gun count?
Gun hits don't count.
Okay. Oh, shit. Headshot. Stay right there. Hey, get over here, get in my spot. Over here. No, there's someone right next to me. Got you. I had it done red. Alright, there we go.
way he went through 15 seconds already. Just got him.
Guys, remember you gotta count to 10 before you can respawn.
Is it 10?
Yeah.
Get out of here, Shirts. I got you. Woo! Alright, come on, man.
Someone needs to grab me.
You got me?
Someone needs to grab me.
Feel it, you might. If it hits my vest, then... Oh, he got me. Shit, who's hitting me? You got a guy over there? Someone's pinning me down. Hey, if this isn't working out with him right in the open.
Give me cover!
Are you
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Cover me, cover me! I got him.
David, I'm right here.
Dude, somebody got a random temple.
Guys, I'm right here. Come on.
Yeah, but they're all over. No blind firing! No blind firing!
Someone come capture me.
Oh no, I did! Guys, cover me! Go. I got it.
Let's go.
Game!
Let's go!